Want to write a text message now, but have your iPhone automatically send it later? Here's how to use the Send Later feature in Messages. For this video, I'm using my iPhone 17 Pro. Follow these simple steps. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Now, open the conversation with the person you want to send a scheduled message to. Before we continue, make sure this is an iMessage conversation. You should see a blue send arrow or blue message bubbles. Send Later doesn't work with regular green bubble SMS messages. Now, tap the plus button next to the text box. From this menu, find and tap Send Later. Right here, you'll see the scheduled date and time. Tap it and use the controls to choose when you want your message to be sent. For example, let's say I want to wish my friend a happy birthday tomorrow morning. I'm selecting tomorrow at 9 a.m. Now I'm typing, "Happy birthday, hope you have an amazing day." Once your message is ready, tap the blue send arrow. And that's it. The message is now scheduled. You'll notice that a scheduled message appears differently in the conversation until it's actually sent. You can schedule an iMessage up to 14 days in advance. One more important thing. Send Later requires iOS 18 or newer. So if you don't see Send Later, go to Settings, then tap on General, and click on Software Update. And over here, make sure your iPhone is running a supported iOS version. You can see my phone running on latest iOS 27 operating system. Also, remember, Send Later works with blue bubble iMessages, not standard green bubble SMS messages to Android users. That's how you turn on and use Send Later on your iPhone. If you found the Send Later option on your iPhone, comment "Found it" below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.